said it yourself. You said it yourself. You should have stopped. Unfortunately, yes, sir. Paradiddle picking went fine, although I would much prefer that you end your takes or end your videos with a good take. This is good practice, so make sure that you do that. Doesn't matter how much you got to slow it down. Just slow it down, end with a good take. So, talking about that paradiddle picking one. And then what basically ended up happening about 190, yeah, 190, I think that's where you said that you think it was right, you're pretty confident you were right, but you weren't, you weren't 100% certain. You didn't feel like, yep, there's no way in heck that I did that wrong. I nailed it. I know I got that right. Because again, you have to feel confident. If you're feeling shaky with it, don't move on. It doesn't matter if it's slower. If you're feeling shaky with it, do not move on. Don't do it. Because you ended up practicing or playing, at least in the video, demonstrating that at 190 things started to change and fall apart. So this is what was happening at 190. And actually I need to pull that back up so I can remember what it looked like. So let's do that. But it is great that you're, seeing the rhythms and understanding it faster. And I mean, you did get up to 185 was fine. So you're getting somewhere with it, though that is a good thing. But yeah, you went further than you should have. So at the 190, there we go. This is what was happening. And because you're not doing those ghost strums, that also affects it. And you're just trying to rely on feel, is what it looks like. So you're basically like... So what it needs to be is... So, I'm just going to stick with like the first group of notes there, or the first two bars, or the first line. Go from what it's supposed to be to what you were doing. So, correct, and then what you were doing. If I'm actually picking it the way we've talked about, down on the down, up on the up, then it would look like this on how you were playing it. So maybe you caught it there. But basically, you're doing this. So you're waiting too long for that second notes in those even numbered bars. So you're playing on the 1 and the 3 instead of the upbeat of the 2. So you're waiting too long to play that part. So let's actually go over that one first since we're talking about it. So 180. That's your goal for this whole thing. I guess I should have made this number 1 and the paradiddle number 2. But either way, you got them. There. Oh, that needs to be changed. We're not trying to get this as fast as possible. I'm just going to delete that. Your goal is 180 for this. I would not work this up in 5s. No. Maybe you start at like 120. Kind of go up from there. Use Guitar Pro to help out if you need it. Do like their percentage feature, play it at 50% speed, then 60%. But no, guess we did talk about that. Yeah, so forget Guitar Pro. Yeah, you could start at 90 BPM anyway, because that would be half speed, and then like maybe go up in 10, 15 BPM from there. Yeah, if you start at 120, then yeah, you could probably go up in 5s from that, or 10s. 10s would be fine. You can even just try starting at 180, or maybe just take part of it and work that up. So you can work, that amount up, because that's the full phrase. So if you're gonna work it up in the 60s manner, maybe just do that full line right there, because we got a few things happening with the rhythm here. It's not 100% the same as last time. Kind of a mix of things we've done, plus a slightly new thing. And then the rhythm's written out a little bit different the second half, but it's 100% the same as all of this. So basically the first half we're going from the A to the D string. Second half we're going from the D to the A string. And this is all in the key of E minor. Trying to get that all on screen. So yeah, let's I'll go ahead and start at that 90. So that's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 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 and Let's go that 120. 1, 2, 3. One 50. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, if you don't make it to 180, that's okay, but I want to make sure you don't go past it. So 180 is the highest. And I'd like you to play at this speed because this is where you still had it under control, but it was right next to the speed where you don't. So try and get it to 180. If you don't, no big deal. When you get to 180, don't go past it. No faster than 180. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Boo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, now on to the next step of our paradiddle picking to gain full control over the picking. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I need to say paradiddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. Well, this is going great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. All right, I better go up in 20s to demonstrate this one, or I might be embarrassing myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I screwed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. Man, that's tough. That is freaking hard. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. One, two, three, four. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that is enough of that. Yeah, moving around the fretboard more. So much more to think about. Takes a lot of concentration. Holy moly. Alright, there we go. Any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.